We did it, Samuel. 4 years and we made it. Yes, we did. But my brother, the real exam begins now.
Do you know you can turn a simple photo into a video right inside YouTube Shorts? No expensive editing app needed. This dialogue video was done on YouTube Shorts. The best part is you can download and save on your device and also use it on other social platforms. Now, let me show you how to create yours in a few seconds.
Now, to get this done, the first thing you need to do is to generate your script, that is your story script. Head over to ChatGPT and input your prompts. For this story and for this tutorial, I just wanted a very short story about two graduate friends. So I imputed my prompt. You can see how short it is. It gave me the story and the title. I copied the story, copy and paste it on your notepad. Then go ahead, that is the second step, tell ChatGPT to generate image prompt for this story. This is a dialogue story. That is where the friend will talk and the other guy will also talk. So it's not just one person that is doing the talking. So tell it to generate image prompt for your story. So I generated the image prompt. I needed just one image prompt just to show you for the sake of this tutorial. Copy the image prompt and head over to Flow. On Flow, paste the image prompt you just generated from ChatGPT. After pasting your prompt, pick the frame of the image, either portrait or landscape. For this, I'll be making use of portrait, which is 19:16. Once you select the frame of your image, now go ahead and tap on the white button here. Give few seconds for Flow to generate your image. Here is the result. This was what it was able to come up with. This is exactly what I need. Once you are satisfied with it, long press and download it to your device. So we are done with generating the image. Now we move over to YouTube, which is a step 4 to create our video. Now open your YouTube mobile app. Tap on the plus button here below and scroll to where you see short, not video, not live, short. You can see short here. Then at the top right of the screen, you will see a star icon, an icon that looks like a star with a purple color. This is it here. Tap on it. Once you tap on the star icon, it will bring you here. You see create video, make me move, photo to video, image. Now, you tap on create video. Once you tap on create video, it will bring you here. Scroll down to where you see plus, tap on plus and import the image you just generated from Flow. Yeah, import the image you just generated from Flow. So I will import this image that I want to use in creating the video. Then go ahead, copy your script, the dialogue script you already saved on your notepad. Now go ahead and type, generate a video with this image using this conversation. Then proceed to paste the script you just copied from your notepad here. Arrange a script to what you want them to say, what you want the first person to say and the second person to say. Don't forget to include the accent. So for this script, it's a Nigeria accent. So I tell it Nigeria English, not Pidgin. Yes, make sure you include it. If you want an India accent, no problem, include it. If you want an American accent, include it. If not, it will give you a random accent, which might not be suitable for your video, especially for those into African folk tales for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Short, and so. So just tell it the accent you want and proceed to tap on the white icon below. Give a few seconds to generate the video. Once the video is done generating, this is what it will look like. Now you can see the outcome of the video. Download and save it here. Or if you want to post it direct, you can tap on next. But for this tutorial, we are not posting, we are downloading and saving it because we can generate more than one video from this. The best way is to get all your images generated from Flow or Gemini AI, anyone suitable for you. After generating it, then move to YouTube and import that image to create your video one after the other. Make sure you include a prompt for each scene and what you want each person to say, especially for a dialogue scene. So this is the final result. So let's play it and see. You can generate your video here on YouTube. Go ahead to generate as much as you want. To get longer video, you have to generate it scene by scene by importing the image to YouTube and adding the prompt that you want for each scene. Make sure you arrange your prompt and you create the dialogue scene very well for each prompt. So this is how to use YouTube creating your videos. The best part is it's free and unlimited. I also went ahead to create more videos. These are some of the videos created here on YouTube Shorts. You can see the first one here is a crime scene.
Something over here.
And the second one is a praying channel
like
for
a
those that
match.
are into
Good
praying channel. You can use this to create your short prayer channel
now
for
I
Instagram
declare,
Reels,
let divine
Facebook Reels,
favor
and
find me
also
today.
TikTok
Let
videos.
doors open
And
that
this
no
is
man
for
can shut.
content creator
Now,
presentation.
let
So
me show
you
you
can
how
see
to
here,
create
I
your
used my image to
video
generate this and
settings.
went ahead to animate it here on YouTube Short. So this platform is really good and it provides you with unlimited video generation for free. Yes, all for free, especially for portrait videos that you can use for your Instagram Reels, Facebook, TikTok, and also YouTube Short. So go ahead and generate as much as you want. Just be sure of your script, your prompt entry, and you get the best result out of it. Don't forget to include the accent that you want when inputting your prompt here on YouTube Shorts. If you've watched up to this point, do well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you share to more people so it can alert the algorithm that people are actually engaging on this channel. I create content on video editing for beginners, tips on YouTube growth and monetization, and AI content. So do well to drop any question you have in the comment section. And most importantly, I just created a Telegram link where small YouTubers can gather. Let's grow together. Yes, it's a community for small YouTubers that are trying to grow. There you can ask questions and also see how we can help ourselves to achieve the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers and any tips to grow on YouTube. Go to my profile, tap on the Telegram link and join the community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, share, and also like this video. You can watch more tutorial videos in my channel. Leave a question and I'll be glad to help. See you in the next video soon.
We did it, Samuel. 4 years and we made it. Yes, we did. But my brother, the real exam begins now.
So now I declare, let divine favor find me today. Let doors open that no man can shut.
I think I found something over here. Take a look.
It looks like a match. Good work, officer.